Ten years ago, a simple technology demonstration program began. But those who designed and flew the aircraft knew that this machine was special. The advanced cockpit, the acceleration, the maneuverability were so perfectly integrated that the man and machine were one. Full-scale development was completed and operational employment began in 1979 with the United States Air Force, followed closely by 6 other nations. Since then, 3 other countries have chosen this fighter and soon will possess its awesome power. The story is far from over. The early 80s saw the blending of the most advanced technology the United States has to offer to this effective system. Early evaluations of this next member of the line indicate that it will be the basis from which future aircraft are judged. The 1980s. An exciting, fast-paced time to mold future technology with this unbeatable air-to-air and deadly air-to-surface platform. Today's Fighting Falcons have everything to accomplish their assigned mission. The range, the systems, the accuracy, and the dependability, and are being delivered on schedule to U.S. Air Force bases in the United States, in Germany, and in Korea. So come aboard, for this is the F-16, a decade on the move. The pace-setting YF-16 prototype program introduced a new generation fighter that was designed, manufactured, and flown ahead of schedule for less than $38 million. Subsequent development, test, and production programs established new standards for fighter readiness, supportability, and operational excellence. This included one recent U.S. Air Force test encompassing 6 months and over 3,500 flight hours, which proved that support costs were reduced below target guarantees. In January 1979, the NATO countries of Belgium, Denmark, the Netherlands, and Norway began receiving the Pratt & Whitney F-100 powered F-16. Joint operational exercises are being flown today by the U.S. Air Forces in Europe and NATO forces with overwhelming F-16 success. Other air forces of the free world have chosen the F-16 as the basis of their future air arm. In early 1982, Egypt received its first F-16s, and the air forces of Pakistan, Korea, and Venezuela selected the F-16 with deliveries scheduled for the 80s. With follow-on programs, there are currently 2,600 F-16s on order or planned. How did General Dynamics and the U.S. Air Force plan to keep the F-16 in its position of supremacy through the 80s and into the 90s? Jointly, they're investing $125 million to modernize the total F-16 industrial base, including the integrated aircraft production facility at Fort Worth, Texas. Technology modernization is changing basic manufacturing philosophies, is advancing the state-of-the-art in aircraft production, and is providing machines and systems that are unmatched in the industry. Belgium, Denmark, the Netherlands, and Norway are partners in the F-16 multinational co-production program and have contributed a significant portion of F-16 components and systems, with delivery of airplanes ahead of schedule at the Fort Worth facility and at both European production lines. Flexibility is absolutely necessary in order to satisfy the varied requirements of the increasing numbers of air forces employing the F-16. The nature of modular design has allowed General Dynamics this flexibility while providing the versatility to continually improve through developmental programs, including the Sparrow AIM-7 and Skyflash air-to-air radar missiles, AMRAAM Beyond Visual Range missile, Atlas II automatic laser designator, These technological demonstrations enhance the F-16's day, night, and all-weather capabilities. Under a staged improvement program, all F-16As delivered today include wiring, structural hardpoints, and other provisions that facilitate the addition of future weapon systems. 1984 will see the introduction of the F-16C, an airplane that will maintain air superiority and enhance air-to-surface capability into the 90s through new state-of-the-art avionics, radar, and a new cockpit to interface with these systems. The F-16's design versatility has not been limited to electronic systems. The General Electric F-101 derivative fighter engine was installed and flown with only minor modifications to the airframe. Only 9 months after go-ahead, the F-16 flew with General Electric's J-79 engine, an engine that is in service and available throughout the world. Its lower cost, engine availability, outstanding systems, and maneuverability make the F-16-79 a very attractive weapon system for our allies. In the mid-1970s, the F-16 Control Configured Vehicle, or CCV, first demonstrated new control capabilities. Direct side force, direct lift, and nose pointing, made possible through innovative flight control computer blending. This capability is available through the inherent adaptability of the F-16 fly-by-wire flight control system. A direct descendant of the CCV program, the Advanced Fighter Technology Integrator, AFTI F-16, is the exciting result of the mission-oriented application of new fighter flight control technology. At the heart of this experimental aircraft is a new digital flight control system, which is integrated with the fire control system. Results could revolutionize air-to-air and air-to-surface combat. Modularity is the key which allows the airplane to be continually improved from the F-16 created in the 70s through what is happening in the 80s into a more dramatic development dreamed of for the 90s. General Dynamics joined NASA in a recent effort to explore the edge of technology in cranked arrow wing design. After thousands of hours of wind tunnel testing at the NASA Langley Research Center, development began on 2 flight demonstration aircraft. While retaining the inherent advantages of the F-16, the F-16XL design yields improved subsonic and supersonic performance, along with excellent low-speed stability. These characteristics, coupled with the conformal weapons carriage and increases in internal fuel, permit more weapons to be carried to significantly greater ranges. The F-16XL is the latest example of the continuing modernization of a great airplane through technological advances. The F-16A, C, 79, AFTI, and the F-16XL are not the end of the line. The F-16 family will continue to improve as new systems and technology become available. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, a versatile weapons system that comes but once and is available now.